Why did the hipster burn his mouth?
Why?
He tried to eat his food before it was cool.
Tim College on drums and jokes. Everyone, Tim College!
That's my story.
We're going to play a really nasty
burn my mouth all the
song for you
time.
now.
Oh, yeah? I thought it's because I'm too impatient.
Yeah, particularly with pizza. Yeah, I'm bad at that.
Nasty.
Alright. He performed this on Sesame Street.
Do you make salads?
No, I asked him to play this.
Very closely. It's a very important part. It concerns love and a girl. Well, Nasty Pearl was a minor girl that met Dan somehow. She said, "You're like me, you're rotten as can be. Let's get married now." But I went and did. I got a nasty kid, and I must confess. Dan really doesn't mess with anybody anymore. He just sits in his nasty old house with his nasty old wife and his nasty old kid in Nasty Happy Man. Nasty Dan. Nasty Dan. I understand. Nasty Dan. I know some of you